another beautiful day and welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today we have Tina. Don't listen to the background, we have the birds chirping as it is springtime. Now, Tina is on our live and basically her guest called in and she had a lot to say, and this is pertaining to Donna. Who knew? Well, allegedly that she had Tina, Marcia, and Maxine's name in the Bible. Well, that is what they said on this live. So you gotta go and go catch the video to hear what they have to say about that. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful, wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. And I wish you nothing but the best today and throughout the year. And I wish you prosperity and everything that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a very beautiful day today. It's Easter Monday. Be happy, be wise, live your life as you choose.
But Cora, she don't understand how the African people they move. She don't understand
the
them.
African people them she don't know the movement. When she did a drop word for you and a cuss, you know, Tina. When she done cuss, you know what she say? I leave you to the plank of them. And that time them turn up on you.
Oh, cause she did have set the man for me when she said that.
Because when she set them for you, she say I leave you to the plank of them.
Oh, you know,
demon woman. That woman is a demon. She depend demon time.
That's why I tell her that she's a monster.
She used the Bible for her demonic power. You understand? She have a strong hold on the demons them over there.
Let me tell you something. I see one video with her yesterday. When I know who for page, I know who for one of them blogger you share it. Where she dep on her live and I said, oh, she's going to Zion. Oh, me did I look through when name the old video them. 369 old video them.
You remember she used to put people name in her Bible?
Mine.
Do you remember your name did in her Bible too, you know?
I remember mine in her Bible.
Your name and Maxine name did in her Bible, you know? Curly name did in her Bible, you know?
Mama Flo say you're talking 100. Mama Flo say for big you up, Carla. I don't know. Mama Flo, for my life, for my Facebook say for big you up. You hear me, Carla?
But that's true, because you can't them realize what's going on. You understand?
So you think
and I remember one thing with her, she talks what she's doing. She never hide it.
And just you have to read between the lines and know her code.
You understand? You have to read, and guess what she used to do? She'd have to get up a morning time before day for do what she do. Oh, don't forget. Donna never used to read another scripture but a Psalms every morning. Every morning is a Psalm she have to read. With the people them name it in her Bible. And you hear what she said? Don't make sure to go to Zion. You understand? All right.
And when she said she go Zion 3 o'clock in the morning.
Hey, all right. Hey, you remember, you know? If you remember when Donna start bake her pudding and her sitting them, you know, and whole heap of people that come down there, you know. Remember, Donna cake was not good, you know. But look at the amount of people that goes and go back and buy that cake. If you go buy sitting and they not good, would you go back?
No.
Would you go back?
No. If
but they have to come back.
That's why I just said the shit argument. She can't put shit in it.
Come back. You understand? You have to come back. As bad as it not case bad and you know say it's tough and it's hard and it's this and that. No care you hear them attack. Them still go back. Guess what? You see two people start get it now and say, oh, but now better go back down there so. You see people stop go there. You know why people stop go there? A lot of people stop go there. Because every